Hello everyone. So you now by now you know, right? You watched the previous video, so you know that I don't do presentation intros for sake of things. So move on, right? I say fucking a lot also, so that's it. So going into it, this we're gonna do another install. We're gonna do the server core install for Windows Server. This time we're gonna use Windows Server 2019. Why? Just because. And yeah, first step, new VM. Go into it. Typical install. We don't care about that. Right? This time I'm gonna select the other one. I have my ISO for this. Which ISO I have? Boom, 2019. Next one. Do I have a product key? I don't have a product key. Personalized window. What's my full name? Full name is not written down. My full name is Nelson Robles. Password. I'm not gonna give you a password right now. So what am I installing? Here you have this is desktop experience, and these are the cores. This is server core. So we're gonna do next to it. You did not enter a product key. Okay, this is because I don't have a product key. Do not show me that again. What is my VM name? Same thing. Windows Server. I'm gonna take this. So that I see, I'm gonna put a core. I don't need a very big name in front, so I'm gonna put 2022 1754 Windows Core. Next. Boom. What is the recommended size? You saw before. It's recommended as 60. I'm gonna give you 60. It's split it because I want to copy and paste it. Customize hardware. Hardware. Yeah. I'm sorry about that. Number of processors. I'm gonna give you one processor. I'm gonna let you use whatever you want to use, and finish it. Finish him, and then the install commences. While that does what that does, I'm gonna play a different song this time. That's I forgot. It's There we go. So now we're coming to the actual server core. Okay, so we are in it. This is server core. If we click on it, what did I just? Okay, if we click on it, what am I? System info. Is it is? Okay, system info. What is my system information? This is who I am. I am data center server core. This is how you install server core. And you're like, okay, so how do I? Z? No. I forgot how you quickly clean these up. So like, how do I shut this down? This is a command line. Oh my god. So you just shut down. Shut down. So there you go. Shut it down. That's it. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one.